Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you careful garden decor ideas. So viewers, a garden is more than just flower and plant. It is a place to relax, enjoy nature, spending time with family. Beautiful decoration make every garden feel more personal and inviting. One of the easy ideas to use plant flower pot, bright color flower patterns, simple design can turn ordinary pots into eye-catching decoration. Place them along a pathway or near your entrance for your cheerful welcome. And viewers, frames, a wooden garden bench is both useful and decorative. Place it under a tree or beside a flower bed to create a peaceful corner where you can relax and enjoy nature. Stone pathway, nature stone create a beautiful walking path throughout your garden. Add small plants or colorful flower along the side to make the path even more attractive. And viewers, and frames, hanging flower basket are another beautiful choice. Fill them with colorful flags like trailing winds. Hanging basket add beauty without taking up much space. If you enjoyed our project, treat garden decoration from all items in all the water can become a flower plant. A wooden tray can become plant stand, and all later can display colorful flower pots. And the viewers, my next area is frames. Birdhouse add life and charm to your garden. Birds brings beauty, song, and help create a peaceful atmosphere. Choose a wooden birdhouse that matches your garden style. I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. See you in the